16. How is horizontal alignment typically achieved in a total station? A. Using a compass. B. Using leveling screws and a bubble level. C. Automatically by the total station. D. Manually with a ruler. Answer B. Using leveling screws and a bubble level. 17. Which type of total station is commonly used for high precision work? A. Manual total station. B. Digital theodolite. C. Robotic total station. D. Auto level. Answer C. Robotic total station. 18. What is the primary purpose of the optical or laser plummet in a total station? A. To level the instrument. B. To measure distance. C. To ensure the instrument is directly over a survey point. D. To store data. Answer C. To ensure the instrument is directly over a survey point. 19. Which part of the total station displays the collected data? A. EDM. B. Telescope. C. Display screen. D. Tribrach. Answer C. Display screen. 20. What kind of batteries do modern total stations typically use? A. Alkaline batteries. B. Rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. C. Non-rechargeable lead-acid batteries. D. Disposable A batteries. Answer B. Rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. 21. How can the accuracy of a total station be verified? A. Through factory calibration only. B. By regularly checking against known distances and angles. C. It cannot be verified. D. By visual inspection. Answer B. By regularly checking against known distances and angles. 22. What is the purpose of the compensator in a total station? A. To correct for errors in measurement due to instrument tilt. B. To measure distances more accurately. C. To store data. D. To calculate coordinates. Answer A. To correct for errors in measurement due to instrument tilt. 23. Which of the following factors can affect the accuracy of a total station? A. Temperature changes. B. Battery life. C. Incorrect leveling. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. 24. Which function of a total station is used for laying out precise construction points? A. Data storage. B. Angle measurement. C. Stakeout function. D. Data transfer. Answer C. Stakeout function. 25. How is a total station typically set up at a survey site? A. Directly on the ground. B. On a stable tripod, leveled and centered over a survey point. C. On a vehicle. D. Held by hand. Answer B. On a stable tripod, leveled and centered over a survey point.